Yo, I just woke up. I wasn't completely asleep. I haven't really gone to sleep yet. I just been laying here trying to go to sleep. And I just gotta do this video because I am not trying to get up. I literally saw a triangle. Okay, so in my third eye, I seen the Illuminati eye. I seen a huge green triangle. And it had a green fucking lizard reptilian eye. And it opened wide. And it had a fucking green laser light that shot out. And it got really wide. And it fucking scanned me. And I opened my eyes. And I said, no, cancel, delete. I don't consent to that. You didn't ask me if you can do that. You're violating. Yo, the fucking Illuminati just did a scan on me. That's not okay. I know. I keep waking up looking younger and younger. That's for damn sure. Okay, whatever. Anyway.